Alright, so it just came in. Velowave Ranger. You can see the box weighs 93 pounds. I believe the bike weighs 85. No noticeable gashes in the box or anything like it was damaged. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it was on the truck. It had to be signed for. So I don't know if they stopped and nobody was here, or it just got late and they didn't make it here. So, but it's here now. Let's get it together. Let's get it down on the ground. See. All right. So definitely looks like it was open. Some tape. I don't know, it was stapled. So they tell you to keep the box in case you have to send it back. You have something to put it in, so here, you want me to lift you up? Okay.
Oh, you remember I took the trash out of your garden?
Yeah, you want to get that stuff that's under there? That would help Daddy out.
You know what? I'm not helping you after this.
Here we go. Don't touch these.
Why?
That's the instructions. This, we'll try the old. As you can see, it comes packaged pretty good. All right, the battery charger. It is 2.5 amps max with an output of 2.0 amps, 54.6 volts. And here's the battery. Battery is model number LB003-1, 720 watts, 48 volts, 15 amps hours, 5 amps. All right, let's get this on the charger. There's a little L and an R. L, R. Alright, just fine tuning these. Yeah, there's Sweat Bee. So I put the key in and then I turn it so it doesn't come out. I'm going to put this down and then it snaps and you pull the key out. Then to take it out, you put the key in, turn it, turn this a little bit, and the battery comes right out. Sometimes you have to push on here a little bit. My other one's like that. You know, when I put it in, I kind of pretty firm, and then pull it out. Then we're good to go. As you can see, we are at 100%. Odometer. Reset the mileage. You press that. That turns the light on. Turns the light off. Okay. Stop. What did you notice?
Nothing. But you want to try riding?
Seem alright? Alright, you want this?
Oh, you want to try?